Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is Fix Car Problems Without a Mechanic. So guys, I have this application over here that is available on the Google Play Store. So make sure to download this application, and now just simply open it up once you are done. So from here, you can just simply go ahead and choose your car that you have. So pretty much it will be depending on you. Let's say I have a BMW, and from here you could choose a version, which BMW that you have, and just simply tap on continue. And after that, as you can see, you will have two options over here. You could go for automatic diagnostic, or you could go for manual, and you will have here repair tutorials as well, which you will have multiple categories that you could choose from in order for you to diagnose your car. And pretty much over here, you should be able to see all of the information you need. As you can see, you should be able to see the estimated savings, the difficulty, and the tools that you need and the parts. And you should have a YouTube video ready for you. So guys, this application is really helpful if you want to fix your own car, and this application really helps out diagnosing your car. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.